Meaning of halyard.
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 Halyard. A halyard is a rope or wire used to hoist or lower a sail, flag, or other object aboard a ship. It is usually made of synthetic fiber or steel cable and is attached to the top of the sail or flag, then let through a block at the top of the mast and down to a winch or cleat on deck. The halyard allows the sail or flag to be raised or lowered as needed. In other words, a halyard is an essential tool for the operation of sailing vessels and is vital for controlling sails and flags.